You can access our chatbot by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner of the wiki. Let's try a predefined question about data import. After a moment of searching, our chatbot will show you the answers it was able to find on this topic. If this answer is not sufficient, you can view more detailed information by clicking on the suggested website. The corresponding page will open within the wiki. Let's try another question. In this case, we'll ask about goods receipt. Here too, our bot provides you with a summarized answer compiled from the information available in the wiki. You can also jump directly from this answer to the detailed explanation in the wiki. Thank you for your attention.